Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make banana bread without eggs in a microwave. First, mash 2 to 3 very ripe bananas in a bowl. Then, add 1/4 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of oil, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, mixing well. This combination creates the necessary moisture and binding without needing any eggs. Ensure your bananas are extra ripe for the best flavor and natural sweetness in your bread. Next, in a separate bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients. Combine 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Gradually add the dry mixture to your wet banana mixture, stirring gently until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to a tough banana bread. A few lumps are perfectly fine. Now, prepare your microwave-safe dish. Lightly grease a small loaf pan or a round dish, about 6 inches in diameter. Pour your banana bread batter into the prepared dish, spreading it evenly. Microwave on high for 3 to 5 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Cooking times can vary, so start checking around the 3-minute mark. Once cooked, carefully remove your banana bread from the microwave. Let it cool in the dish for a few minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. This helps it set and prevents it from becoming soggy. Slice and enjoy your delicious, egg-free microwave banana bread. For more great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.